Happy Meatless Monday, everybody! I wanted to ask you a question. What does this and this have to do with this tower garden? One, this is one of the best ways to transplant, to move stuff that grew too big from the top down to the bottom. I tricked. We use this to actually use it like tweezers or forceps on each side of it, because you don't want to disturb the roots or it defeats the purpose of keeping the plant, right? So I just did this and I kind of stuck it on each side and I pulled it out and then I stuck it down here. And that's particularly what we did with this little sunflower. That was a sunflower sprout that is now becoming a sunflower. So we've moved it down. Not sure, still an experiment, but this is one of the best ways to move plants. And this is one of the best contraptions that I stole from my fiance's older brother. It is a colander that fits in the cabinet and it fits on a sink. It is amazing. Thank you, Christopher, for letting me steal it from you. Or you didn't really have a say in it, but and then last night we were doing Meatless Monday prep, and did you know that you could regrow celery? One, we have an amazing little celery plant over here that I will talk about in just a second, that we need to kill 2 of them so it can grow. But we had celery that I got from the store, and it's now in there, so we're going to watch it regrow. I just cut off the bottom and then peeled off the sides so it'll actually fit in there. So we're going to grow celery from celery. Awesome. Okay, and then the other thing is this other celery plant. I love this tower garden. I could just move it around. Where is it? We're not there yet. Right here. We have celeries. We have 3 beautiful celeries. And looking at the base of a celery, they're like yay big. So there's 3 of them. So I'm going to kill one of them. If I was really smart, I might kill 2, but I think I'm just going to kill 1. So, sad. I'm sorry, celery sprout. You must go. My weakest link. So we will add that to our salad. We'll add celery to our salad today. Boom. The first thing. And then I'm going to take my amazing, trusty cameraman, after I throw that in the trash, and have him help me so it doesn't take us forever.
God. He wants me to be the cameraman and do harvesting. That
Perfect.
Is quite the feat.
So, wait. Before you come over here, let's talk about this that we harvested before and then some of this. But I have this giant kale that I'm going to be harvesting right now. Did I move it in a different direction so it's hard for you?
What are we harvesting today?
I'm going to harvest kale. We're going to harvest bok choy. You wanted more Swiss chard.
There's so much Swiss chard.
We also are going to harvest some cilantro and then some spinach.
Okay, so we got a lot. We got a pretty good salad going here.
Okay, so I'm going to go on the back side over here and harvest this kale.
All right, I'm just going to go add spinach.
All right.
All right, I'm done helping.
You can't be done. You just got here.
This is the best part, is seeing all of the greens that you're getting.
And how long have we had this tower garden?
8 weeks probably inside now.
And
this is our second really big harvest.
So I've harvested a little bit of kale and cilantro here and there, but as far as big, this kale really needs to be cut, because if I look down, it's actually choking out some of the other little plants. Like there's a little pepper plant that's down here, and it's not getting much sun because the kale's getting so big, or light rather.
I was going to say, not much sun in here.
None of them are getting sun. They're grown by lights. It's been great.
Lights, camera, action.
And it's been going fantastic, obviously. The only thing I've done off camera is I cleaned a little bit of the mineral buildup around the top. Again, that is 100% normal and natural for there to be minerals because you need minerals to feed the plants.
And for yourself. You need minerals in yourself.
That is exactly why we eat plants, is to get more vitamins and minerals. So yes, we need minerals. That's one of the...
this really nice snow pea. Just kind of doing its own thing, growing around the entire tower garden. It's really cool.
Yeah, this one might not make it, sadly. It's looking a little peaked. And one of the things that I've learned with plants is that sometimes they die, and it's really hard not to cry about dying plants, but sometimes you just have to do it and be like, I'm sorry, you're going to die, like the celery. Like, I would love to have 3 celeries in here, but the truth and the honesty is that if I didn't kill one of them, they're probably all going to kill each other while they're growing. So it's really tough, but sometimes it's necessary.
Okay, spinach harvested. So what we're looking for is what? What are we looking for when we're harvesting here?
The biggest leaves.
The biggest leaves. Wow, that was really hard.
Usually.
Insightful, as always.
And look at this lettuce. We could harvest this.
Sure. If you want to.
We're going to do a giant salad for lunch today for Meatless Monday. If any of you saw my story yesterday, we did a giant pot of root vegetable stew.
Oh, it's so good.
And I also did meatless stuffed peppers. So really good. That's what we had earlier today already. Ooh, and I'm excited to show you there is a blossom. There is a blossom on my, I want to call it a nasturtium. No, it's a marigold. And I'm so excited for it to bloom. So I'll have a flower on here too. All right, you have an amazing day, everybody. I will talk to you soon. Again, happy Meatless Monday. Thanks for watching.